I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Well, it's another season, guys, and it's Christmas again. I know so many people are under pressure right now, and maybe you are feeling the pressure. Maybe your neighbor is feeling the pressure. Maybe your friends or your family are feeling the pressure. But well, I am here to tell you that this is 2022. You don't need to feel that kind of pressure during this season. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this to be able to learn how to manage your budget, start a business, and so much more. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. As always, you are amazing. With the imminent recession and price hikes all over the world and all the problems happening everywhere, including the uncertain future of what 2023 holds for all economies, well, now we have the last chance to make it right by ourselves. You have the last chance to make it right by you. So of course, during this period, it's very normal to feel the pressure and try to make sure that you can buy gifts for your family, buy gifts for yourself, buy gifts for your loved one, buy loads of food, and so much more. But then guys, we've been doing this over all the years. Now's the time to make some slight changes because of course not everyone is in a good financial situation right now, and so many people are barely struggling to meet up with their expenses. So today I am making this video to help you understand the best way that you can enjoy Christmas on a budget. Of course, you might have kids, you might have a family, but then if you follow these steps keenly, this will definitely help you save up. Remember guys, December is just 1 month and Christmas is only a very short season. So you can't spend all of your savings during this period and then suffer from next month. Remember, January is going to be very dangerous. January, February, we still got many months to come. So if you do it right during this season, next month you will definitely appreciate yourself for the decisions you take right now. So let's dive right in. The very first step you would want to take during this Christmas period is to make sure that you plan ahead. It's very necessary. Check out your budget, check out everything you need to do and everything you do not need to do, everything you need and everything you don't need. Make sure you get them in order. Take a look at your expenses, take a look at what you have, what you don't have, how much you have to spend. Make sure you can make a list, make a scale of preference. Know that this is what you are doing and this is what you are not doing. Of course, you should plan within your budget. Do not plan beyond your budget. You shouldn't just rush into a supermarket and start buying stuff randomly without making a plan, without making a list. And remember guys, if you do not have a lot of extra money during this Christmas period, do your best to cut down on luxurious goods. Make sure that you plan only on what is necessary. Remember, there will be another Christmas like this. There will be more times like this where you can celebrate with yourself, with your family. So just make sure that you buy what is necessary. Make a list from the most important to the least important. And as you start to buy, if you realize that, well, at the bottom of the list, you don't have a lot of money, you can definitely cut that off. I'm not sure that will really affect you greatly. So do your best to plan ahead of time. Make a budget ahead of time. Don't forget. The very next step you want to take to be able to manage this Christmas season perfectly is to prioritize your Christmas purchases. Of course, this is directly linked to planning yourself, planning your Christmas, which is the very first point. Make sure that you prioritize your Christmas purchases. Do not buy what you do not need, because after Christmas you will definitely just throw them away, and next Christmas you might need to buy them again all over. Remember, if you had some past stuffs that you had bought before, you can reuse them. You can make most of the other stuffs yourself at home. Only buy what is necessary, because you know during this period you might spend a lot of money and in January you start to regret. Make sure that you prioritize your spending, prioritize your budget, know what you are buying, know what you are not buying. That way it can help you to save more and prepare for January or for next year, of course. Alright guys, after the very first two, the next step you want to do in order to be able to manage your budget perfectly during this season is to be honest, to open up. Open up to your family, open up to your friends, explain to them your current budget situation. They will definitely understand if they love you and if they deserved a gift from you, they will definitely understand. So you just have to do your best to explain to them, tell them that, okay, at this time you're not currently fine financially, this is what you can afford, this is what you can do, this is what you can't do. If they really love you, they will definitely understand. Of course, if you have kids, you can struggle to get one or two gifts for the kids, because kids love memories. Kids need to have memories of the family, of amazing times. But then for yourself, for your friends, for adults, for your loved ones, what you need to do is to open up to them, explain and be honest. Tell them the truth. They will definitely understand. Of course, Christmas is just not all about eating and drinking and celebrating. Sometimes it's about just being with the people you love, just being with them, having fun, just sharing your experiences during the past year and showing each other love. That's what it's all about. So it's not just all about food, about gifts. So do your best to open up and talk with your loved ones, talk with your friends, explain to them, tell them the truth. I'm sure they'll definitely understand if they love you. That way it can help you to save more and prepare for the future. Now guys, after opening up to loved ones and friends and explaining the truth about your financial situation to them, the very next point is to get creative. Well, I explained in the previous point that you can definitely explain to them and try to use other methods to be able to give your friends or family gifts. Well, in this case, for you to be creative, you need to do your best to think out of the box. You must not use money to buy gifts for your loved ones. You can create amazing memories just from things that you make with your own hands. You can get into the kitchen, you can get into your bedroom, you can check in your storage room. Check anything that is old but still looking good. Try to fix something up by yourself. Try to put some photos together. Try to do something nice, something little and cute, which can definitely leave a good memory in someone's mind. Then you do your best. You fix it up, package it, and you give it to someone. I think the intention really matters more than the gift itself. So if you give it to your friend or your family with love in your heart, that means so much more than just buying expensive gifts and just giving them away with no meaning to those gifts. And well guys, getting into the very next point. Well, during Christmas, so many people want to watch Christmas movies, want to have fun, watch a nice movie with family, watch some Christmas songs, watch some amazing Christmas TV shows. You might be worried thinking, well, I haven't paid my TV bills. How am I going to watch this program or that program or this TV show or that TV show? Here's an advice. Well, I hope the cable services are not listening. So what you can do is that you can activate a subscription. Of course, most of them give 1 month free. So you can use the 1 month free during this period. And then after it's done, you can unsubscribe. Don't forget to unsubscribe after you're done. That way you can save some budget during this period. Of course, it's not easy, but you can try to save up something. And if you feel like continuing in January, you can renew your subscription. But then this can definitely help you save on some budget, no matter how small it is. And at the same time, having fun with your family, watching an amazing movie or an amazing TV show or amazing Christmas songs. So watch for free. Now, the last but not the least, of course, there's so many other options that you can do during this Christmas period in order to enjoy Christmas on a budget. But one other thing you can do is to do your best to try to get a bargain as much as you can. If you go to a livestock market, do your best to bargain. Of course, in one of my previous videos, I explained that that's really a traditional Chinese style where people love to bargain, and they definitely make use of that, and it helps them to be able to save more money and get more money into their own pockets. So during this period, if you're struggling, you should do your best. When you go to buy something, try to negotiate with the seller, try to do your best to get the price down as much as possible. You never know, you might definitely get half of the price that they're asking from you. So you do your best, you negotiate, you get a bargain, you can definitely get a good deal, and that way you can save more. Of course, sometimes some people might feel like, I can't bargain, me, a whole me, look at me, why will I go and bargain with some people? But you never know, that can definitely help you. There's nothing to be ashamed about. No one knows your pocket. You are the only one who knows your pocket, and you need to try to make sure that you stay afloat. But if you waste a lot of money right now, who knows what next month might bring? So you do your best to save now, bargain now, make better financial choices right now, so that next month you appreciate yourself, you'll be proud of yourself for saving that much during this period. You need to understand that some of the best memories in life are made free. You don't spend a lot of money in order to make the best memories. It's only the little things that matter. So if you can do your best to create an amazing memory, even if it's just free, even if it's just with your hands, you don't need to spend a lot of money, do your best. Be there. If you got kids, do your best to be there for your kids during this period. If you got a loved one, do your best to be there for your loved one during this period. Forgive each other. Just be happy. Show love to yourselves and create those memories, because looking at the world that we have today, no one knows tomorrow. Things are looking really dangerous, so you never know what might happen tomorrow. So if you have someone in your life right now, appreciate that person, show that person love during this period. And now guys, I hope that this video has helped you understand how you can better manage your budget during this period in order to be able to stay afloat next month. If you are interested in watching more amazing videos like this and learning so much more about business, lifestyle, and so much more, feel free to like and subscribe. Anytime, you're always welcome to come on here, watch videos, learn as much as you can, and I'm always here for you. Remember, this is Willen. See you next time.